Welcome to Sales Tax Stuff. And thanks for joining me as I share the hottest sales tax news happening this month. January 1st is a big day for sales tax updates, for rates, law changes, and this year has proved to be a busy one. Several states have updated their E911 fees, so this is the fee that's charged at the point of sale when you purchase a prepaid wireless calling card. Now, California updated their fee to 41 cents for a total of 49 cents when combined with the 988 charge. Colorado updated their fee to $2.09 for the 911 charge, 7 cents for the 988 charge, for a total of $2.16. And Utah has decreased their 911 service charge to 3.13%. Now, Illinois has expanded their tax base to include leases. I'll include a link to an information publication below regarding this change, so if you lease or rent anything in Illinois, you'll definitely want to check out that publication. The other big news in Illinois is that they are doing away with that silly 6.25% seller's use tax rule for sales outside of Illinois into Illinois. Now, that was confusing for businesses, so it's about time that this law changed. Starting on January 1st, sales from outside of Illinois into Illinois will be subject to both state and local taxes for all sellers who are required to collect and remit sales tax in Illinois. So this is really one that we need to celebrate for sure. Chicago has increased their personal property lease transaction tax from 9% to 11%. Now this tax applies to rentals, also software and cloud computing services. Kansas changed their sales tax rate on food and food ingredients and certain prepared foods. It's gone from 2% to completely exempt, but note that these items do remain fully taxable at the local level. Now we have lots going on in Louisiana. State rate increased to 5%, along with the tax base being expanded to include digital products and sales of software as a service, SaaS. So the state also passed legislation that redrafted a variety of exemptions and exclusions, hoping to provide more clarity and simplicity in the law. Let's hope so. So also note that sales and use tax returns are being impacted for all parishes. The parishes are still working on updating their returns. They're going to be required to capture the sales amounts for prescription drugs and manufacturing machinery and equipment on those returns. Local exemptions for prescription drugs, including medical devices, must be reported separately now from food for home preparation. Prior to the first, there was a single line for food and drug sales. Maine will begin taxing rentals of tangible personal property. Now, this is quite a significant law change because previously the lesser paid sales tax when they purchased the property that they were going to lease, which meant that there were no sales tax was due on the stream of those payments. Now there is a restaurant tax in Hopkinton, Massachusetts. So if you're operating a restaurant in that town, you want to make sure you're collecting the correct tax now. So that's an additional 0.75%. Michigan had a temporary exemption for firearm safety devices in place until December 31st, but now starting January 1st, these items are fully taxable. In Nevada, diapers are no longer subject to sales tax. So this means that there's only a handful of states left that continue to tax such necessity items. New Jersey will now exempt sales tax of qualifying investment bullion, as well as investment coins, if those coins have a fair market value of $1,000 or more. Now, the term investment coin does not include jewelry or works of art made of coins, nor does it include commemorative medallions. Puerto Rico will hold its annual back-to-school sales tax holiday from January 10th through January 11th. During this time, certain school uniforms and school supplies will be exempt from sales tax. That's a lot of news for January 1st. And in addition, there are many new rate changes, both increases and decreases, and new district and local rates being added across the country. So I hope this information was helpful and it sends you on a safe path free of interest and liabilities if your business is ever audited. If you find this overwhelming or your business and sales tax liabilities are growing, know that there are automated engines out there. There's software. It can help you map your services and your products to tax categories so that when a law or a rate changes, you don't need to lift a finger. It's automatically done for you. Thanks for watching to the end. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. You'll be notified when a new video comes out. And leave a comment below if you have any questions about any of these updates or if any of these updates are impacting you and your business.